Hindi yata. Hello, masama si Angel.
Ito ang sample ng room.
There's a couch. And then may small table there.
Oh my god. Here's the vloggers. And here's the owner. Say hi! Say hi!
The future owner. Kung hindi tayo palalayasin dito sa podcast.
Here's the aircon and all the models.
Nagabot na kakaswing.
It's the cottage if you check in, guys. It has a griller. We can grill hot dogs and marshmallows. Oh my god, I look so haggard. I look so cute. We're going down. We're going down. It has a chandelier. Look, look, look. It has a chandelier.
Okay, over.
Over. Where's Kuya Charlie?
Get Charlie.
2 hours. Oh, that's the room, guys. Oh no, namatay! Di ba ang ganda? Hoy, open mo! Naka-open naman sa mirror. Di ba ang ganda? Ano ba? Ang ganda. Thanks. Ang ganda dito, di ba? Ang ganda talaga.
Bakit over?
And then we're going up. You see that? It looks like Siargao. Then, you see that? Look at this! It's a water stream. This is the water stream we're talking about. You see that? So many big rocks! Oh no! Oh, wala ako energy kasi hindi ako nakasingin. So, diba ang ganda? Diba? Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda! We're going to prayer walk. We're gonna pray while walking. Miss Gwen. 100 steps daw. Tama po ba, Miss Gwen? Huh? 92 steps exactly. So 92 prayers tayo.
We are about to receive. Kuya, ayusin nyo.
Ganito naman talaga ang buhay. Pag paakyat ka, napapagod ka. Pero it's all worth the wait and the struggles and the pain. Lord, guide our steps as we walk through this community. Help us to be sensitive to your leading and to pray with faith and boldness. It's tiring, but Lord, you give us strength. Binibigyan mo kami ng lakas, Lord, para magpatuloy. Guys, we're finally up here after 92 steps. Oh, nakaya namin ang 92 steps. Anong nire-feel mo ngayon na nandito na tayo sa taas, Jen? Anong masasabi mo na nakita mo na si Lord?
Nagpapasalamat po tayo kay Miss Gwen, ang future First Lady ng Hermosa Bataan.
Congrats po agad! Gaming!
Kaya lang, pag masyado na po tayo nanghingi ng discount, baka maging first mover out.
Papalayasin na tayo.
Napalayas. O mag-closing kayo dyan mamaya. Go.
That's it for our Punta Bells. Ang haba daw.
Oh.
Corvo Bayan! So that's it for our Punta Bells trip today. So, I hope
We're
you
excited.
enjoyed the little trip around the corner.
We're so excited to see you guys on June 22. Once again, I'm Tala.
I'm Angel.
And I'm Shai. Bye-bye guys. Bye, Corvo Bayan.
See you on June 22.
See you on June 22.
4:30.
O, talon.
Hindi, dapat tatalon nga kami doon.
Yeah.
2, 1. So guys, that's it for our Punta Bell trip today.
We're so excited to see you on June 22.
Bye-bye.
Once again,
I'm Tala, aka Binitawan.
I am Angel, aka Binibay. And I am Shai, aka Binitay. So, see you on June 22, guys. Do not be late.
Bye! Call time is 4:30 a.m.
4 a.m.
Oh, 4 a.m.